तो विशाल आपने लास्ट वीक आई थिंक एक इंटरव्यू दिया होगा है ना?
correct.
तो आप उसके बारे में कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे कुछ कि मतलब आपसे कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन पूछे एंड मतलब किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछे स्टार्टिंग से और हाँ आप थोड़ा अपना एक 5 से 10 मिनट के बारे में आप थोड़ा सा इंटरव्यू का जो है एक्सपीरियंस दें इंट्रोडक्शन में आपने क्या क्या बोला ये सारी चीज़ थोड़ा जिससे दिस धर्मवीर might get help.
Okay. So firstly, in the starting, they just asked me a brief interview, like tell me about yourself, like what have you done in your graduation, and after that, what companies have you worked for till now, and in that, what kind of project you have worked on, and what kind of skill set or tools you are using in that particular project. So that's the first thing they have asked. After that, they're starting like asking some Java question. I mean, theoretical Java question. After that, he provided me a question for the coding one. Like, tell me, coding question like random coding question, not the one that we normally find on the website. It was a situational based. Like he randomly provide a string variable to me along with the integer in that and ask me to sort it out or something like that. I don't now remember completely because it is a week around. So after that, he asked second question is was about the Selenium one. So it was related to like in Selenium how can we use the drop down and other things and all the minor major question related to Selenium automation. And then he navigate to the manual questions like situational based question like what will you do if we have a very limited time frame for the testing thing and we have a production deployment after 2 3 hours. So what are the tasks you are going to pick it for the first and what are the left things you will do after that. So major minor question he has asked from each and every topic that he can, and it was a 1 hour conversation. Yeah,
Okay, so like as you said that you are working as a automation developer and you are looking for new job.
yeah.
Okay, and because before this call we had the already introduction. Okay, that
Mhm.
and so some of the question they asked from Java. So what are the questions like you already repeated like one string variable they have given and so they ask you to write some program. Am I right? There.
Yeah, correct,
And
correct.
any conceptual wise any program any concept they have
Yeah,
asked
so
you?
he asked me the simple one, that abstraction method.
Hmm. Okay, abstraction method. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, and of like any other questions from Java they have asked anything?
These are the two. After that, he asked me like page object model and how we use it in the
Which model?
framework. Page object model that we have.
Okay, page object model.
POM file that we say.
Okay, okay, and coding they asked from Java. Am I right?
Yeah. So it was a basic kind of question. Not a basic one. I mean, it was a situation based.
Yeah, randomly they ask. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. As you are automation developer, so that's why they did not ask much question, from Java side.
Yeah, that's the thing. I think they asked some question from the automation one as well,
Mhm.
but only one coding question. I think that they want to know.
Yeah, I think before the interview, we already discussed that they must ask you, Java question. They will ask you to write the some Java program, and
Yeah.
that may be anything. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, randomly they will ask that. They might give you one string or something, array, and from there they may ask, okay, that you have to manipulate the this array or you have to manipulate this string. So this kind of
Yeah.
question they may ask because I already taken the so many interviews. So here interviewer actually want to know whether you have the coding skill or not. Okay, whether you are prepared for writing the code or not. So even in the project they don't have the require, but they want to know. Okay, like
At
if
least they want, like, in case if there is no any other resource, you can do that work.
yes, yes, yes. So
No, it is not happening in automation. Some of my friends are giving interview.
Mhm.
So for the backend work, they are asking the front end UI coding question.
Okay.
So that's the thing going on now for each and every interview, not just my one.
Okay. Okay. So,
Yeah,
means at front end side, what from which technology they are asking, like Angular JS
yeah. I
or
mean, normal question like if it is a backend developer and we are asking him front end developer question.
Mhm.
So with they randomly ask like create a front end page and we need a video button or kind of things.
Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and please share your experience that okay that आप आपको means actually how like how much you learn from this interview and then for coming interview how you will prepare.
Okay, so the main thing that I have learned is like you have to get the knowledge of the coding question basically. So not just I mean kind of learning or I mean you need to have hands-on experience at least. So that randomly they ask any of the questions you can do and show them like that's the thing I am doing.
Yeah, yeah, of course. So from my side, I will share my experience because I have taken so many interview, as a technical lead.
Mhm.
So, like, of course, every interviewer, they will come to know that whether that you can say uh, client or whoever coming to interview, whether they are able to write the code or not, whether they have the coding experience knowledge or not. Okay, and of course theoretical is also important, but theoretically they will be asking some deep concept, basic concept. Of course they will start from the basic concept, but they will go from basic to deep. Okay, and they will see whether the person is able to write the code or not. Okay, so this remember. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
correct.
yeah. हेलो. हाँ बेटा मैं काम पे हूँ, बोलो क्या कहते. नहीं मैं अभी मैं कॉल पे हूँ, बाद में बात कर रहा हूँ, चलो ठीक है. Yes, 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 yeah. So actually, in between, I got the call, so that's why I was on mute. Yeah. So basically, of course, coding is very important. Even you are on any level actually, whether you are the as a fresher also, or whether you are the as a experience. Okay, and even you are working in the same in the project in the company inside, then also you have to work as a developer or you have to write the code at some level. Okay, and if you are looking new job, then also you should know how to write the code. Okay, so that is very important part, remember. So means technically we should be technically more than management side, remember. Okay, and every company actually is looking the person who have the good technical knowledge. Okay, not theoretically, practically, remember. Because in my TCS, like in my project, the person having more than 20-year experience. So from their side also, that management was expecting that person should have to write the code, remember. Okay, so if you want to be in IT company, you must have the knowledge, uh, technical side, as well as you can say you must have the knowledge to write the code. Okay, so this is you have to important. This is very important, remember. Okay, and you can survive. Okay, so I will stop this call. So thanks for joining, guys. Thank you.